Sacred wooden beads. Once there was huge temple built in center of lake. There lived great master and 20 of his disciples who would learn Buddhism teachings. There was a precious string of wooden beads which was sacred and was enshrined in temple. As temple was in middle of lake, it was connected to rest of world with a small boat and it was not easy to go there. All disciples would concentrate on learning and were going to complete their study soon. Until one day, Master assembled everyone and announced that Buddha's sacred beads were lost. Everyone was shocked as temple was guarded 24 hours in rotation by disciples themselves, so no one from outside could have sneaked in and stole those beads. Soon everyone who assembled there started to discuss about it and became suspect of others. Master saw this and said, "I don't care about this matter. If only the one would admit his mistake and promise to treasure the Buddha beads. I am willing to give it to him. I am giving you all 7 days for consideration." No one confessed on first day nor on second day, and with time mutual respect and trust between young disciples who were soon going to become monk was gone. They talked no more. Even on 7th day, no one stood out for confession. At end of day, Master again assembled everyone and announced, "I am glad that you have convinced me of your innocence. Even the temptation of the Buddha beads can't get you, you are resolute enough. Alright, the practice has come to the conclusion. You can go home tomorrow, then." After a while, when junior monks were ready to leave, they saw a blind monk knelt before Master. Seeing this, everyone scowled at him as they thought that he had confessed about his wrong deed and then left. After everyone left, Master turned to blind monk and said, "Did you steal Buddha beads?" Blind monk replied, "I agree Buddha beads had lost, but heart of Buddha is still here and I have come here for self-cultivation of Buddha's heart." Master asked, "So, you didn't take those beads, then why are you sustaining all the suspicion?" Blind monk replied, "The suspicion has already hurt my heart, his heart and everyone's heart in the last 7 days. Someone had to sustain to resolve the suspicion." The great master took out the legendary Buddha beads from his robe and put it on his neck. He said, "The Buddha beads is here. You are the only one to comprehend the true meaning of sustain." Moral. Sometimes in life, we take the responsibility to resolve the conflicts, reduce the unnecessary disputes and the contradictions. People who are able to sustain will get a better mental development and have more freedom and opportunities in their entire lives.